never doubt yourself. Never look down on yourself, because you're capable of doing everything you set yourself to. Be the best of you, do you, and shine.
Hi Barbies! So in today's hair tutorial, I'm going to be doing ponytail look. I actually have my relaxed hair grown in the roots, but I still need to sleek it because it's so very necessary. So I'm going to show you how I do my pony. It's a drawstring ponytail, so it's removable and you can always style it up. So the main thing is to get your pony sleeked up, like real good, that good. No, like I'm just gonna use a straightener because I don't want to use too much heat. So run it through my hair real quick just to get it to like be tamed a bit, and then we do the whole ponytail look. It's really basic, really minimal, So let's get into today's tutorial. So for my hair gels, I'm using the Ecostyler and the hair cream from L'Oreal. It's a clear gel, and I just need a few clips to keep my hair in place, and some oil to like protect my hair from the heat, and then ponytail. So I need some rubber bands for my hair. I'll use some hair oil to protect my hair. So I just put it into my palm. Massage it all through my hair and to the strands as well.
This hair tutorial is actually like self-explanatory. You could easily do it. That's why in the very beginning I kept like stressing on the fact that you could do anything you set your mind to do. You're capable of being the best of you. So like just go all out. Just go all out. Do the best of you. Don't let anyone say any negative stuff, because it's all positive.
So running my straightener through it real quick. I need a pass in both to set my hair. Let's make it a line.
So at this very point, I might have to leave you so you get to watch the video. I don't want to talk so much just to like distract you or something. But if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Peeps, you have to subscribe. You really have to subscribe because subscription is free. And don't forget to like the video as well. And to my returning subscribers, how do you do? How do you do?
So this is how the hair is gonna look. If you guys can see. And I'm going to do this all through to a point at the back, and then continue with the hairstyle. Taking a portion of clear gel, sleek my hair.
So you're free to tie your bun as high or as low as you want it. That's actually up to you. And I fixed my drawstring onto my bun, my little bun, and I pulled the remaining strings just to secure and make sure everything is in place. It gives a good grip onto your bun. And I tied the remaining strings on my hair just to make sure everything is like well secured and it's not going nowhere. To be on the extra safe side, I took a bit of hair extension, especially from the back, like that's what I'm doing at the moment, and I wrap it around the very like joint between my hair and the hair extension. This kind of like conceals if there's any like web sticking out or anything. It makes everything sleek and nice and beautiful. So, and you're done. If you need some bobby pins to secure it, that's fine, but doing just this makes it like perfect.
This is how the hair turned out. Like, nice. It's a drawstring pony and nice. This is how the look turned out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this hair video. Like, this is my first hair video here on my channel, and it's just supposed to be like a simple pony with the drawstring attached to it, but I just wanted to create that extra vibe. Like, you don't need to be basic all the time. There's so many times you need to be extra. Yes, there's so many times you need to be extra. So this is a bit extra, just a bit. And you could do this at home, on your home. It's not supposed to be perfect, but I think if you try and if you really want to do it, it's going to be perfect. So if you want to see how I did my makeup, let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to see it, like, I could do it for you, you know. I'd do anything for you. Bye, Barbies.